Senator Hontiveros reacts to criticisms against her bill.
The bill labeled it as an anti-teen pregnancy bill, but hidden within is a curriculum called Comprehensive Sexuality Education. According to the UNESCO, it is based on a curriculum which includes, teaching children as young as 4 years old about childhood masturbation, introducing 6-year-olds to the concept of bodily pleasures. By age 9, children have their own sexual rights. Senator, ano po yung masasabi po, pinupulaan ng inyong panukala?
Yan pong mga sinasabi nilang laman ng Prevention of Adolescent Pregnancy Bill at kahit ng Comprehensive Sexuality Education Provision ay, I'm sorry to say, mga fake news. Pagsisinungaling po yan. Walang ni isang pangungusap, salita, ni titik, ni punctuation mark sa bill ay nagsusulong ng sinasabi nilang mga childhood masturbation o sexual rights ng mga bata.